Welcome back to NYSE TV Live, everyone. I'm Kristen Schuller here in studio at the Stock Exchange. Artificial intelligence has been the star of several high-profile events already this year, from the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas to the World Economic Forum in Davos, Switzerland. And in March, an event calling itself the most important AI conference of the year will take place in Las Vegas. Joining me now with more is Stefan Weitz. He's the CEO of HumanX. Stefan, welcome.
Thanks so much for having me. And you said it, so it's actually true.
It is indeed true. Artificial intelligence could not be hotter. What do our viewers need to know about this event?
This event's a little different than a lot of the other ones. This is focused on business leaders who have to figure out how to use AI in their organization. So we've got a few thousand of them coming. We have 300 of the world's best AI thinkers, speakers, builders on stage to help impart that knowledge. And plenty of places for these business leaders who run functional units, run parts of large companies, can come together, meet each other, meet vendors, find solutions, get smart. So it really is designed to help people figure out their path and figure out how they're going to get there.
Who are some of the experts that you're interested in hearing from?
Oh my gosh, we have 300. And so, for example, Sridhar, CEO of Snowflake, will be there. Kevin Wiles, CPO of OpenAI. Who else? Mike Krieger, CPO of Anthropic, is there. May Habib, CEO of Writer. I mean, there's really, practically at this point, anyone who is very important in AI is going to be on stage.
And probably more relevant than ever based on what we continue to see in this space, including the news that was out earlier this week. So when it comes to artificial intelligence, what are the cutting edge trends that'll be covered?
At the event? Well, certainly we'll talk about agents. Everyone loves agents.
Yep.
So we'll have a lot of that. We'll talk infrastructure, which is an important piece, especially as companies try to figure out how to deploy this and how to use it without bankrupting the company. That's going to be critical. And then cybersecurity is a huge one as well, because as we've seen already, we're seeing AI clusters spin up that can really spoof very convincingly a lot of different things. So ensuring that you have cyber in place is very important. So really, it runs the gamut. The full agenda is on the site right now, but really anybody, again, who is in an organization, has responsibility for AI, like this is the place you got to be.
How crucial do you think AI is right now?
To what? To the world? To
the future of business,
Without being hyperbolic, it's probably the most important thing in my lifetime that I've seen. Internet was amazing, obviously. Transformed the whole planet. Mobile networks were incredible as well. But the speed with which AI is advancing and the ability for smaller companies to actually build really interesting products and applications on top of open models, for example, we're just the beginning of seeing what this will do for business. But it is unquestionably something that if you're not on top of, you will be left behind.
Does DeepSeek change the game? And I asked that based on the news that we got on Monday.
Right. No, I mean, I think open models have been around for a while. Llama's been around for a while, and the reality is what that's doing is it's going to allow people to push AI more to the edge. So rather, today you've got these proprietary models, they're kind of locked in these data centers. You're able to take this DeepSeek thing, put it on the edge, and what that can do is create whole new applications where AI is living in your earpiece or in your glasses or in your toaster, because we all need AI toasters. And so that's what's exciting about it, is it really, A, it's cheaper, of course, to develop against in some cases, and B, you can customize it to whatever you want and however you want to deploy.
What is an AI toaster? How is AI at work in toaster format?
I mean, can you imagine? It'll be like a therapist. You can talk about it. I shouldn't eat this toast. I'm getting kind of fat. You can respond back to you in a nice way. I have a toaster which has a screen on it that you select how brown you want it. I'm like, why did I buy this? But because I'm a nerd, that's what I do. Yeah, we'll see.
We're just a few weeks into the new administration, and I'm interested to learn from you how you think this new administration will embrace artificial intelligence.
Well, I mean, luckily, you've got Elon doing a lot of work there, so that's impressive. David Sachs, of course, is AI czar coming in. Sriram, I think, also will be sworn in there to help with that. So you've got really good, smart thinkers in the space, which is exciting to see. We have Biden's EO, which had good parts and bad parts. That was rescinded, obviously, as Trump came in. I don't think we've seen a kind of a replacement for that yet, which is fine. We're a little early in the game. But I think he understands, the administration understands, that this is critical for American power to a large extent. And I think it's very clear when you see things like DeepSeek, it was a wake-up call for our country, frankly, as well, to ensure that we make the right investments while still being responsible with developing AI, because it can and will go out of control if we don't. So.
How is the technology that you're seeing in this space, in AI, in the US compared to the rest of the world?
We still have, that's hard to say. If you look at, again, China, DeepSeek's one thing, then you have the O1 model from Kai-Fu Lee, which is an incredible model as well. So you've got really good models out of China. Europe is also building out some incredible models as well with H and Mistral. So it's not evenly distributed yet. You still have a center of power probably in the US, but China certainly is an incredible power, and as is Europe. So sure, we probably have maybe more of the foundational things, but at the end of the day, these other countries will catch up very quickly.
The week of March 10th, that's when the
correct.
conference is happening?
That is correct, March 10th through 12th, come to Vegas.
Anyone and everyone should go?
If your job involves AI and you're not there, I worry for your job.
All right, Stefan Weitz, CEO of HumanX, delivering us what we need to know this morning. Stefan, thank you.
You bet, thanks.